see?
Yeah.
Did you get your cookie, Melody?
Yeah, I'm grabbing a cookie.
Okay. Here. They find you, is right.
Oh yeah.
They do for
Did
me
it bite
too.
you?
Nope.
Huh?
Did not, no. I killed it in time.
They do for me too.
Molly, you want them on your hands too?
No.
Is
If
it
I'm
just
not
me, or
TikTok.
aren't they going up very high?
Not as high as it, yeah. It's different.
It's their foot. Now
Oh,
they're
I
going-
like them. They look like balls. Wonder if they.
That's one. That's a spider with a lot of legs, man. Why does it seem way more quiet than usual fireworks shows?
You know what I wonder? Well, that one didn't go up high enough.
Well, that's far down. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
This is an awful. Mary, are you watching them on your phone?
Honey, I got it. Come on. Also, it doesn't say who invented fireworks. It just says they came
Some
from a tradition in,
Japanese guy in 1500.
they came from a tradition in China.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all we know. Now you said Japan.
I said they let them off on the 4th of July in the United States, but yeah, I'm sure they came from China.
Ooh, I like that one.
Didn't go up high enough, and it actually shot off the crowd. Nobody got hurt, but they could have gotten hurt real bad.
Oh, thanks for now, my fear.
I remember I saw a video of a story that they were watching fireworks, and then one of the fireworks came into the crowd and got a girl's hair on fire.
Yeah. Well, don't worry, these aren't going to hit us.
I know.
We're way far away from them.
I like it.
That's pretty.
I'm gonna film it. Oh my god, that's up close. Ooh.
We got to take them out of town.
Oh gosh.
Did you know that, Christine?
Yeah.
Mom and Dad and me would get in the car and we'd have to take them out of town.
Molly was so scared. We took her once and I had to hold her
yeah,
the
but
whole
she was
time.
real little.
She was
Tommy
real little.
Tommy was like 8 or 9 or 10.
I had to hold her and she just cried and cried.
Well, that's just their big boobs.
Most kids, a lot of kids are afraid of them.
And then we.
Was I?
It's like a little kid having fear of the dark.
I have a fear of the dark.
You have a fear of closets.
Me too.
We're talking about you.
Oh.
I have to close her closet doors every night when she goes to bed.
Yeah, me too, when she sleeps at my house.
Oh, I would prefer you closed mine too.
Well, you don't want.
Not
Yeah. But yeah, Ursula, that caused us to have to like
drag
climb
me out the
over
theater.
people.
Woo! I like those
That
ones.
was.
Big, 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 big.
Is it just me or they're not very loud this year?
I think they're farther away. Probably why.
They're shooting them off from a different place.
Oh, that's a cool picture.
She's not taking it.
Wait, why are you going?
You're in the video.
Christine, did you hear that? Sometimes you can hear the echo. Like they'll let it off here and you know the echo over there. Listen. No.
glacier.
Now the fireworks those are they come up and they have the American flag and they have the Statue of Liberty is one of them. They're actually the best fireworks I've ever seen. But when they made Dunkin' Donuts, they stopped Lakemore Fest because that's where it was.
No, they still have Lakemore Fest. They just didn't have it last year. They still have, because there's been people posting wondering if they're going to bring it back this year.
Oh.
They just didn't have it last year.
Oh, look at that. Looks like spiders. I love it.
Those are cool.